Hello viewers, last time during Windows 11 update, one of the desktop folder changed its shape and it was looking odd. I tried to bring the folder into its original shape through routine procedure of reset default, however the problem remained the same. This folder was also not showing property and the same folder was available on two different names. So let's see how we can fix the reshaped folder through alternate procedure. On screen please. Now you are watching the same folder which has been reshaped and it's look odd. So first we will try to recover the same with the normal procedure. Double click on the my computer and then three dots, and in three dots we will go to options, and in options we will change the folder to reset default. So click now view and reset folders or restore default. Click it and this message appear. Do you want to reset all folders of this type to the default view settings? Click yes. And now apply OK, but the problem doesn't solve. Let's refresh it. The problem is still in front of you. If I right click and find for properties, so I don't see the property of this folder over here. Now let's go include library and the same folder appear as JQ Khan Tech PC. If I click it, so it said that this folder already included in the library. Click OK and you can see all the items inside this folder. However, the problem is still remain. Now right click once again and go to compress and additional options, and through this we will change the size smaller to reverse end and create, but this feature also doesn't work. So let's leave it, cancel it. So now let's open my computer once again and also double click on this folder. You can see the data inside. It's on direct double click and this is through my computer. So let me click Dell. Now these two folders are exactly one folder. All items are inside the folders are same but with different names. So right click on Dell and now we will simply recover the folder through simple means. Now go to select the property and now let's go to customize. It's a huge folder so it takes time. And now change icon. In customize, click change icon, select any color or shape or folder type, apply OK. And now you will see that the problem would be resolved. You can see the data inside both folders are the same but on different name. Right click and refresh and it's recovered. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.